Cookies. We all love a good cookie. But what makes a great cookie? Well, I believe we can answer that for you here at A Side Guy Cooks with Strawberry Shortbread Cookies. So let's get started. Let's prepare the wet ingredient. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. Strawberries were first seen amongst the indigenous people of North America during the 15th century. Set your timer for 15 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Those look great right out of the oven. Let's try one. Wow, the combination of traditional shortbread and amazing strawberry flavor produces a delicious cookie. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe along with adjustable measurements can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a great cookie. Stay with us, watch another video.